sort of the same thing when Meryl wrestles Farouk. She's going to give the assist. So
truck driver doing, and the Mercedes behind him. Yeah, I'm guessing keep left doesn't mean much for this guy.
In deals in Hollywood and everywhere else, so Jesse, if he didn't like something, would move on.
Well, you can move back up now.
And that's exactly what Jesse did in this situation, where he wanted to do something and
what the? Look at this absolute clown. Could have stopped easily for the yellow, ran the red, and then he's driven straight up, gone over an unbroken line. What the hell? I'll have to do a double take on that. That looked like a box of oranges or something. Empty, thankfully. Come on. What are you doing? Go. Move, you fucking idiots.
Stupidity! Stupidity!
An idiot?
to go see Dr. James Andrews here, but it won't slow down her push any. We're still working her into segments to sell merch.
There's idiot. Peep later. Ute. Just jumps lanes, no indicator as I'm coming along. Goddamn knuckle dragger.
Knee-jerk booking at best, in my opinion.
December of '97, they start the big push for the Dude Love character, or they're doing it again, I guess. They did it
Whoa,
last summer.
what an idiot. That clown just cut off the Ranger. I mean, okay, it's a Ranger driver, so, you know, barely human, but still. This, hey. Oh, really? Sees me there at the mirror, looks at me and goes, fuck you, I'll just keep coming. Seriously. I'm right here, I hit the horn to warn you, and you just look in the mirror and go, fuck you.
Go fuck yourself.
Fuck, man, we could do more. We could do this. We could do that. And you want more.
Success is addicting.
It is, and work is addicting, and it's...
Well, you fucking...
It's a lot of fun. So, I mean, I said work. I don't know that I've ever had to really work.
During COVID. Let me ask. You don't have to answer.
Jesus.
You fucking idiot.
You know, so if he shot it, the buck ran away and he couldn't find it. And so after spending all day looking for the buck, he couldn't find her or anything. They all came back.
Apparently you didn't like that. Now you know how it feels, dickwad. Whoa, what an idiot. What the fuck are you doing?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
What are you doing? Fucking crazy nut.
Come back in here. I'm gonna hit you with so many rights, you're gonna beg for a left.
He's moving. BMW. He's moving.
Apprehend that horse-ass but reckless bragger.
Deed for the afternoon. Go behind me, can let you in. Just got the space. Oh, no problem, mate. Jesus, fuck off. Look at your eyes. Indicator on doesn't mean you can change lanes. And I don't let Mercedes in, so fuck off. Fuckhead, you want to pick a lane? We've got, well shit, this is no fun. I don't have any letters. 9998. We'll do the other one instead. We've got a peanut, oxygen thief, rim job, slapdick, comfort, hobo, Eugene. Are you doing? Pick a fucking lane. Fucking.
You're beginning to irritate me.
God. You know what? This Australia Post guy is about to break a rule. He's come out of a driveway the wrong way and he's about to make a left turn from a right turn only lane, and that guy just did an illegal U-turn. Everyone's fucked, but with the traffic problems we've got in the moment, we're doing some forgiveness today, and I'm going to let this Australia Post guy go because we've got some major traffic problems around here. We've got a green arrow. Go, mate.